Imagine for a moment a coffee that doesn't go in the way you're used to. A little perplexing, isn't it? Well, hold on to your cups because we are about to embark on a journey that will take the humble coffee bean to a place you never imagined. Let's journey back in time to ancient Egypt, where enemas were first documented as a health treatment. They were highly regarded for their ability to cleanse the body, a sort of internal bath, if you will. Fast forward to the late 19th century, where coffee enemas began to gain popularity. Yes, you heard right, coffee enemas. The premise was simple. Coffee, with its antioxidant properties, was believed to enhance the effects of a traditional enema, giving your insides a metaphorical scrub down. Picture a team of microscopic baristas, armed with scrub brushes, giving your colon a bit of a spring clean. It's a rather, shall we say, invigorating image. Now you might be thinking, that's a load of old beans. And indeed there are many myths surrounding coffee enemas. Some people claim that they can cure everything from chronic disease to bad moods. But let's be clear, while coffee enemas can indeed have some health benefits, they are not a magic bullet. They won't turn your life into a perpetual caffeine high or make you immune to every ailment that comes your way. But don't let this deter you. Just as every good cup of coffee requires the right balance of beans, water, and technique, the world of coffee enemas is also about finding the right balance. It's about understanding the potential benefits, debunking the myths, and knowing how to use this unusual brew in a way that's safe and beneficial for your body. So, as we delve deeper into this topic, keep an open mind. After all, the world of health and wellness is full of surprises. And who knows? This unusual brew might just be the next big thing in your wellness journey. Prepare yourself for a journey into the world of coffee enemas, a procedure that's as intriguing as it sounds. Now brace yourself as we dive into the world of coffee, not for a morning wake-up, but for an internal cleanse. First things first, we're not talking about the same kind of coffee you sip on a lazy Sunday morning. For a coffee enema, you'll need organic medium roast coffee ground to perfection. The coffee is brewed, but not in your average coffee maker. Rather, the process involves simmering the coffee in distilled water for about 15 minutes, then letting it cool to a safe temperature. Once your brew is ready, it's time to set the stage. You'll need an enema kit, which usually includes a bag or bucket, a tube, and sometimes a flow regulator. The brewed coffee is poured into the enema bag or bucket, which is then hung at a height that allows gravity to do its work. But where does the coffee go, you ask? Well, through the tube, the coffee will find its way into your rectum. The process is performed while lying on your side, with your knees drawn up towards your chest. With a little bit of lubrication, the tube is gently inserted and the coffee is allowed to flow in. The aim is to hold the coffee inside for about 15 minutes. During this time, the coffee works its magic, stimulating the liver to produce more bile and improving the detoxification process. But don't worry, a bathroom should be nearby for when nature calls. After the procedure, you might feel a sense of lightness, a gush of energy, or even a bit of euphoria. This is all part and parcel of the process. It's your body's way of saying thanks for the cleanse. But remember, as with any new health regimen, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before diving in. This ensures that the process is right for you and that it's done safely. So that's the process. A little unusual, but bear with us. The benefits are on the horizon. Ever wondered why people would choose to introduce coffee to their system in such an unconventional way? Let's unravel the mystery. First up, let's talk about detoxification. Coffee enemas help cleanse the liver and the colon. The caffeine in the coffee stimulates the liver to produce more bile, which carries toxins away. Simultaneously, the fluid of the enema softens any built-up waste in the colon, making it easier to eliminate. It's like a spring cleaning for your insides, if you will. Moving on to digestion. Improved digestion is another benefit one may experience. The process helps clear out the colon, which can lead to better nutrient absorption and smoother digestion. It's not just about the coffee. It's about the cleanse. Next, we delve into energy levels. Many coffee enema enthusiasts report feeling a surge of energy afterwards, and it's not just because of the caffeine. This increased energy is likely due to the removal of toxins and improved nutrient absorption. Imagine feeling like you've had a full night's sleep and the best breakfast of your life. That's the kind of energy we're talking about. Let's not forget mental clarity. By detoxifying the body, coffee enemas may also help clear the fog in your mind. When your body is free of toxins, your mind tends to follow. It's like wiping the smudges off your glasses or cleaning your windshield. Suddenly you can see things more clearly. Now, you might be wondering about the science behind all this. Well, there are indeed studies that support these benefits. For instance, research has shown that coffee enemas can increase the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in detoxification. But remember, everyone is unique and results can vary. What works wonders for one might not have the same effect on another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before trying something new. Intriguing, isn't it? The humble coffee bean, when introduced differently, can offer a host of health benefits. Like any health trend, coffee enemas have stirred up controversy. Let's address the elephant in the room. Ever heard the phrase, "too much of a good thing"? Well, that's the case here. While coffee enemas have their benefits, improper use may lead to potential risks. Some of which are possible electrolyte imbalance, infections, and rectal burns. Now, that's a literal case of too hot to handle, isn't it? However, it's crucial to remember that these risks, again, are associated with misuse and not the procedure itself. So how do you avoid potential risks? Let's spill the beans on a few recommendations. Firstly, you must use organic coffee. Why, you ask? Well, regular coffee often contains pesticides and other chemicals that can harm your body. On the other hand, organic coffee is free from these additives, making it a safer choice for your enema. Next, ensure your equipment is sterilized. This isn't a baking recipe where a bit of leftover dough adds flavor. Here, cleanliness is paramount. Using unsterilized equipment can lead to infections, which are about as welcome as a decaf in a coffee lover's kitchen. Lastly, and most importantly, use the right amount of coffee for you. Start small and slowly increase the amount as your body adjusts to it. This can range from 1 to 3 round tablespoons of organic coffee. Now let's stir the pot further. Some critics argue that the body naturally detoxifies itself, rendering coffee enemas unnecessary. While it's true that our bodies have their detox systems, coffee enemas can aid in the process, especially in cases where the body's natural mechanisms might be overwhelmed. So, while it's not without controversy, with proper precautions, coffee enemas can be a safe and beneficial health practice. Like a well-brewed cup of coffee, it's all about balance and moderation. Now that we've spilled the beans on coffee enemas, it's time for you to make an informed decision. This journey has taken us from the aromatic roasting of the humble coffee bean through the rather unconventional brewing process to the surprising health benefits and the pitch of controversies surrounding its use. We've explored the myriad of benefits that coffee enemas could potentially offer. From the detoxification of the liver and colon to the stimulation of bile flow and the increase in energy levels, these are just a few of the potential perks. We've also dived into the research that suggests coffee enemas could aid in reducing inflammation, enhancing mood, and even assisting in the fight against certain types of cancer. So why not delve deeper? Conduct your own research, weigh the pros and cons, speak to professionals, and listen to your body. The world of health and wellness is vast and ever-evolving. There's always something new to learn, something new to try, and who knows, maybe a coffee enema is the next step in your health journey. This isn't a path to tread lightly, nor without guidance. The importance of consulting with a healthcare professional before embarking on any new health regimen cannot be overstated. It's crucial to remember that everyone's body is different and will react differently. What works for one may not work for another, and safety should always be paramount. In the end, it's your health, your body, your choice. But remember, sometimes the most unusual methods can yield the most extraordinary results. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. We hope you found the information helpful. To learn about more odd things that can improve your health, please click the subscribe button and remember to like this video.